Hey, what's up, traders? Head ass. What's good with y'all, man? It's MET. Come on, do it with me, bro. You know it's mandatory. Come on. MET. XRO. What's good with y'all, man? I ain't gonna lie, I was finna fuck around and say my damn intro again like a dumbass. I'm not gonna lie to you. But what's good with y'all, man? Hope y'all having a great day, great morning, great night. Wherever y'all at. First things first, my fault on being MIA and everything this week. I'm not gonna say it's been a bad week. It's just been a week I haven't really had a lot of time to be on the charts like that. The main reason is because 2 days, I know Tuesday and Wednesday, I had to take my sister to school, and I usually hop on charts around like 7. Yeah, around like 7, and I usually catch setups at least maybe before 8 o'clock or some shit. But she got to be at school around like 7:30. So I mean, it is what it is. It doesn't happen often, so that's why I'm really not tripping about it. Now, if it's something like it was happening every day, then I'll be pissed. But overall, I may have not traded this week this much. I was still able to send signals out, and they hit take profit. So I'm gonna just go over them the 2 trades I sent out this week that hit take profit, and yeah. So first things first, man. If you ain't joined if you ain't in the trading Discord, it's free. You know what I'm saying? We trade in chat, as you can see to the left right here. We got the trading chat, the winning setups chat. This is the winning setup chat. I'm gonna just show you real quick. It's free. You know what I'm saying? Surrounded by all traders, where they just send they winning setups. You know what I'm saying? We just be chilling, talking. Then we just got the casual trading chat, where we just talk about just trading shit. Hey, what y'all looking at? What y'all looking at? And another thing in the setup that I recently just in the setup. The fuck am I talking about? And another thing in the Discord. Oh shit, I'm tripping. Is I just added Metro setups, which is basically, I guess you could say, signals, but it's free. I mean, you don't have to take the trade. And I don't really recommend people taking my trades if they don't understand the way that I trade, or I just feel like I just don't want you to think that just because I send a trade out, make you feel like that you have to take it. If you like how it looks, then take the trade on your own. It's not guaranteed to win or none of that. Take it at your own risk. But yeah, so I sent out a couple setups. I think ever since I started this signal, I'm 3-0 with signals, but I didn't wake up early today because I had a slight headache. So yeah, man, without further ado, let's hop on this fucking charts, man. So we just gonna go over the matter of fact, I'm gonna show y'all the trades that I saw. So this one right here, I believe this was the first one. Yeah, so this was just a simple GU trade, just to make sure I'm showing I sent it to the chat. So I'm not finna fake bullshit. This ain't no FX replay bullshit that one of your favorite gurus be doing. You know what I'm saying? This is some real shit that I sent to the chat. As you could even check the time. Look, what was it at? 7:06, 7:29. So it's not no bullshit. I've seen real life signals. Yeah. So and if you were interested and follow me on IG, make sure to follow me on IG at METXRO. Link in the description down below, along with my course. If you like how I trade, and if you're interested in how I trade, or if you're on edge about how I trade, you can go ahead and check that out. It's only $25. I'm telling you, like, I'm not finna overprice the course. I trade simple as fuck. I mean, if you buy it, you buy it. You don't, you don't. Like I said, that's why I made the signals chat, so people who want to buy it, they like, you know what I'm saying, see what I'm working with. They like the results, then they feel free to do it. But if not, it's cool, bro. I don't care. But yeah, man, we finna get straight into this shit. So right here we had a 3-minute supply. I'm telling y'all, man, the 3-minute charts be hitting I'll say before 8 o'clock, them 3 setups be smacking. But they can hit in New York session too, like pre-New York. That's when I find the best setups for the 3-minute and 5-minute. But yeah, as you can see, we had the other supply right here that this one tapped into it. That's why I really didn't draw this one up. But this one right here, I drew it in. And hold on, let me make sure my camera ain't in the way. So yeah, once I saw I had this drone zoom up, I sent it to the chat, and I saw that it was started to reject this, and I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna get in right here, and you know me, man. We always like to get in when it breaks below a candle or below a wick. So what happened here is, you know what I'm saying, first thing first, you always gotta figure out where your stop loss is gonna be. So just in case if it do hurt and go against your once it go against your direction, you won't just be like, oh damn, I don't know where to fucking get out at. No, bro, you gotta plan that shit, think fast, and actually stick to the shit. So We got in right here. Well, my entry was gonna be right here, and it didn't hit for a 1 to 2, but me, like I always tell y'all, like, bro, I don't never like to stay in candles. Like, as soon as, like, you see how, like, real quick that I'm pointing to y'all, like, y'all fucking behind. What the fuck am I doing? Um, yeah, y'all see how I, like, pushed down. This was a big ass aggressive candle to the downside. Now, like I always tell y'all in my videos, if I'm in a trade and I get one of these candles, I'm 9 times out of 10 not staying in to the next candle. Like, as soon as that the candle, like this candle right here, closed and this candle started printing, I'm out. Because, bro, this is like a huge momentum. And 9 times out of 10, or even 8 times out of 10, look, don't quote me on that shit. Because honestly, I'm not finna sit here and do all my analytics and, oh, actually, it's 7.5 out of 10, and then you gotta forget there's a 3%. No, look. What I'm basically saying is, most of the time it's gonna fucking refill that shit. And what did it do right here? Refilled it. So, like I said, um, yeah, you know what I'm saying? Boom. I can't really go into detail on what else I like, all my other confirmations, because then it wouldn't be fair to people who bought my course, and they'd be like, bro, you're giving out the sauce when I paid for it. So, well, a couple things that I can't tell y'all is we were in the downtrend. We had a supply not marked up. It was a nice little supply. The candle, we got a great reaction from the candles, and we were below the SMA. That's all I can tell y'all. I can't really tell y'all all the other shit that, that I really want to tell y'all, because knowing me, I will fucking slip up and honestly drop the whole strategy on YouTube like a fucking dickhead. But that won't be fair to everybody who bought it. So, yeah, man, this is a nice little trade right here. It literally, TP got hit in one candle. That's one of the things I love about the 3 minute, and just the way that I trade is my fucking trades usually get hit within, TP usually get hit within like 2 to 3 candles, and I love that shit because I don't like being on the candles. Fuck, I don't like being on the charts long. So yeah, we finna hop into the next trade, the GBPUSD. So this trade was low key. It was low key a fire trade, and fuck, excuse me. My bad, bro. I had to make myself because I was down bad. I'm not gonna lie. But yeah, man. This right here was a nice little supply. I drew it up. We were below the SMA, downtrend, and you know what I'm saying, hey man, I trade simple as fuck. Like, bro, like, people expect me to fair value gaps, and I don't really know what none of that shit is. I just trade simple. I trade what I know, and I don't make it any complicated than what it is, bro. So, yeah. So like I said, bro, drew the supply zone, and boom, it tapped in right here, and it, tapped into the zone, closed below the zone. I was like, ooh, okay, this is a fire setup. And what I did is I waited for it to, I'm gonna put it over here. I waited for it to break below this, and boom, broke below that, and then boom, yeah, TP got hit, bro. I ain't gonna lie. And another special thing about this trade was, I think it's hit from 1 to 4. God damn, that shit was beautiful. I'm gonna delete this real quick. It was another supply zone created within this setup. So you could have also took this right here, and then you could have took this right here. Boom, look at it. Look at this shit. Just look at it. Look at it, bro. Look at it, bro. Don't look at me. Look at it, bro. Look at it. You looking? Alright, bro. I feel like you're not looking at it, bro. Just pause it and look at it. God damn, I'm trying to help you out, bro. But yeah, there's another supply zone. This was really an aggressive entry. I wouldn't have really taken this because I don't like it getting aggressive. But it's just a beautiful, another little zone that you could have got into. So, like I said, same thing from last trade. We're in the downtrend, below the SMA, got a supply zone, got a beautiful candle reacting to the zone, and we just got in, bro. Like, it's that simple. People think I'm like, when the people who actually like bought my course and they understand like how simple this shit is, it's crazy as fuck. Cause like, bro, I don't like making shit difficult. I'm not the most smartest person. I don't like a lot of indicators on my screen, and yeah, so I just like to keep shit simple and just move on with life, bro. I don't like complicated things. So yeah, man. Got a little bit of a headache right now. Probably just finna go fucking nap. I ain't gonna lie, I did a little too much cocaine last night. Probably shouldn't have did like 4 lines, but You know, fuck it, YOLO. We gotta live, right? You know, fuck it. Yeah. Y'all be smooth, man. If y'all interested in my IG or my Discord, click the link description down below. I'm just gonna leave. I'm tired. I need to go to bed. Hit ass.